Bronco Raptor, cold air intake versus stock intake comparison. Is it worth it on a Raptor? You tell me. Windows up, stock intake. Windows down, stock intake. Windows down, S&B intake. Stock intake, windows down. Windows down, S&B intake. Stock intake, windows up. Windows up, S&B intake. So you tell me what you guys think. Overall, I think that it adds a little bit more throttle response. There is some more noise to it for sure, but it does not give as much volume as I had hoped. It seems like it's breathing a little bit better. It seems like it's got a little bit more mid-range power, and it seems like the throttle response has improved. Is it worth the $350? I don't know, but I think next up I want to do the charge pipes to see if we can get a little bit more airflow noise to go with the intake and the Cobb intercooler that I already have. I also think, being that I have the blow-off valve, that it does limit some of the noise that I'm getting from the intake if I still had the stock diverter valve on there. So overall, I'd say it's worth it. It looks nice under the hood as well. It does seem like it gives a little bit more throttle response and power, and it does make some more noise, but I do wish that it offered even more noise than I'm getting. So let me know what you guys think. If you can hear any difference in the videos, I tried my best. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and drop any of your questions below.